It feels so good to fall in love, but how I felt I'll never know. The way we kiss, the way we touch, for you my heart will ever go.
So it all started from a matrimonial website before the lockdown.
It was a coincidence and we planned to meet up, and so we met on 19th.
So it was a mutual decision that the first Nivedita and me are going to meet and then decide how to take the future decisions accordingly. So we met and it came out to be really good.
ले जाए कहाँ ये एक दूजे के जाने बिना कब दो दिलों की हुई यारियां दिल ना जाने दिल ना जाने दिल ना जाने दिल ना जाने दिल ना जाने
Let's talk about Happy Ki Vidu, the hashtag and the story. How it all happened, why it all happened so suddenly in such a rapid speed. Like since the time I was a kid, we have only heard about one thing, Chatmangni Padbya, but never saw it before. Since this event happened in my life.
दिल ना जाने
सोचा नहीं था कि इतने शॉर्ट टाइम में इतनी जल्दी शादी हो जाएगी और मिले और 10 मिनट के अंदर डिसाइड हो गया था कि हाँ शी इज़ द वन फॉर मी एंड इट फेल्ट रियली गुड. देन हमारी फैमिलीज मिली नेक्स्ट डे.
But after the family meeting, like our families really liked each other and they rocafied us.
We all decided कि rocafied, we should get rocafied now. It's the time.
You were the one that I found, solo banda solitario. Why didn't you tell me enough? Solo banda solitario. I ponder in closure. Remember the world that is out there for me to find. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Let me be who I am. All through this time. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Walk in the dark, barefoot in the night.
And I'm even happier that she'll be coming down to my own hometown, and I think Tanu would be blessed again. And of course, Anaya's attachment is again special towards Vidu, so it's actually a blessing in disguise. I can just say that I'm so happy for her that it's been just a marvelous last 10 days. I've never expected that it would be so sudden, but it's just so beautiful. And to be honest, I think Happy, Harshit, he's just too amazing a person, and we would be having a gala time chilling together.
Harshit is like the luckiest guy on this planet who's getting married to my sister, because I know Nivedita since the time she was born, and she is so loving. Like, I have never seen a person who could be more loving than her. First, everything, like, she thinks of others first and then about herself. So she's just all prepped up to give all her love to her new family.
I would give them best wishes for the future, and I would always be there as an elder brother to them. And let's look forward to a great new life.
What I will
Cheers.
find. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Let me be who I am. All through this time. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Walk in the dark, barefoot in the night. दिल मेरा खोया, दिल मेरा सोया, दिल मेरा खोया, दिल मेरा सोया.
So I had this in my mind that whosoever I'm going to get married to, I will propose her and I will take her on a date. So that was not possible in this lockdown. So I thought, let's give her a surprise after the engagement party. So my all friends, they arranged a very nice, cute setup.
In the garden there was like seating for two, and there was a bottle of wine and two glasses, and I picked up the glass for him to pour the wine, and under the glass there was another engagement ring for me, and that was such a sweet gesture. He's so romantic, like full on Bollywood movie style scene it was.
And she was very happy seeing all the setup. She was at the top of the world.
Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in its photograph. We make
She compliments him and he compliments her. And definitely, Nivedita Bhabhi, you're very, very lucky, because I don't think there's anyone as good as my brother in the world. So you definitely have got the best man. Congratulations, and I hope you have an amazing life together.
I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone, wait for me to come home.
He is one of the most sweetest person I ever know. He is my elder brother, and I'm really happy and proud that he is my elder brother to guide me and mentor me in my life. And as Bhavi is going to be my next mentor, and I think they make a very beautiful couple, and they are very excited for the wedding, and let's hope things goes as per their expectations.
तेरे हवाले है ये जिंदगी मेरी, तेरे उजाले से सब राहें हैं यहाँ। अपने नसीब का मैं बादशाह नहीं, तू मेरी शाम है, तू ही मेरी सुबह। तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया। शोर आया ऐसे तो तू बेफिक्र है क्यों, शर्माई मंजिलें तू बेखबर है क्यों, रंगों से दोस्ती है मैंने भी करी, क्या है तू सोचती मुझको बेदर्दी, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा।
प्यारी विदु, तुम्हें शादी की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। तुम बहुत लकी हो, तुम्हें इतना प्यारा हस्बैंड मिला, और भगवान तुम्हें संसार की सारी खुशियाँ दें, और तुमने जितना प्यार हम सबको दिया उससे कहीं बढ़कर तुम अपने ससुराल में सबकी इज्जत करना और सबको प्यार देना।
दिन शगना दा चढ़िया, आओ सखियों नी वेड़ा सजिया, हाँ मेरा सजना मिलिया, सजना मिलन वधाइयां, नी सजन डोली लेके आना, नी वेड़ा सजिया। मेरा सजना मिलिया, सजना मिलिया, सजना मिलिया, ओ दिन शगना दा चढ़िया, आओ सखियों नी वेड़ा सजिया।
I'd like to start with thanks. First of all, thank you, Bhabi. Thank you, Bhaiya, for giving us this opportunity to celebrate 2020 at least once. At least once we have a moment in 2020 that we celebrated.
जान पहचान हो, जीना आसान हो, जान पहचान हो, जीना आसान हो, दिल को चुराने वालों आंख न चुराओ, नाम तो बताओ, जान पहचान हो, जीना आसान हो।
congratulate him that finally he's getting laid.
Really happy for you. Welcome Nivedita to this crazy family.
Congratulations to both of you guys. We are actually awaiting to meet you, both of you, and spend a lifetime friendship along.
I would like to congratulate Bhaiya and Bhabhi for a better life ahead. Lots of love and congratulations. And next year I'm waiting for Utkarsh.
I wish them a happy and healthy married life ahead.
Bhabhi, welcome to the family.
Congratulations Bhaiya and Bhabhi for getting in our life.
And as far as I know, Happy Bhaiya, he's a keeper. So Bhabhi, you're very lucky to have him, and he's like one of the best guys I've ever met. Bhabhi, welcome to the family and to this crazy gang. And you know, so we've always seen Harshit Bhaiya with us, and he's been so comfortable. But to see you along with him in this group is going to be a whole new adventure. So can't wait to have you, Bhabhi.
We are really awaiting for you to come and chill with us so that we see what all craziness we can do all together.
I wish that I can keep you happy always and will love you forever like my princess.
I'm sure our life is going to be phenomenal. Your name is Happy and we both are going to be very happy together, and I'll try my best to be a best friend to you before being a wife, and each and every day of our life would be like amazing and we would be like great together.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line. I pray for you.
हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहना और दूसरों की बहुत रेस्पेक्ट करना और अपने मम्मी पापा का हमेशा ख्याल रखना.
Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh,
बेटियां तो बाप को बहुत प्यारी होती हैं, बेटियों को भी बाप से बहुत प्यार होता है, लेकिन एक दिन तो उन्हें पराया होना ही है. अब सब काम करते हैं, सब अच्छा लगता है, पढ़ाई लिखाई, और ये कभी लगता ही नहीं जब बेटी पराई होती है तब लगता है, तब बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है. पता नहीं कितने दिनों तक तो ऐसा लगता रहेगा, घर एकदम सूना सूना सा हो जाएगा. मेरा दोनों बच्चों को बहुत आशीर्वाद है. मैं चाहता हूँ दोनों बच्चे हमेशा खुशी रहें, खूब हंसी खुशी जीवन बताएं. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा मुझे. मैं चाहता हूँ कि बच्चे बहुत खुश रहें. मेरा आशीर्वाद है दोनों बच्चों को.
जा बन गया तो sunshine. heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours.
Happy की विदु. अरे हैप्पी विदु को ले लिया. फिर से
Pose with the hands.
हैप्पी विदु को ले लिया.